Welcome to Papa Za's Kitchen.
Quickies.
These videos are quickies, but some of these recipes can take a bit of time and a little love. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Sweet and sour pork. Chop 1 green onion. Chop half a stalk of celery. Cut quarter red pepper into 1-inch chunks. Cut quarter green pepper into 1-inch chunks. Cut quarter onion into 1-inch chunks. Veggies. Half a pound of pork butt, cut into bite-sized slices. Removing excess fat. Crack egg. Separate egg white from yolk. Quarter teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 egg white. Whisk. Pork. Green onions. Mix well. Marinate 30 minutes. Quarter cup of cornstarch. Coat all of the pork. 1 cup pineapple tidbits with juice. Make sauce. Medium heat. Add 1 cup cooking oil. Add your pork. Cook 6 to 8 minutes. Stirring occasionally. Remove when golden brown. Carefully discard half the oil. Add veggies. Cook 6 to 8 minutes or until cooked. Stirring often. Remove. Carefully discard all but a few tablespoons of oil. Add half a cup of water, 1 cup pineapple tidbits with juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons ketchup, half a teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix it well and cook on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon cornstarch with quarter cup of cold water. Mix well, then add. Cook until desired thickness. Stirring often. Cooked veggies. Cooked pork. Mix real good. Reserve 2 cups. Sweet and sour pork. Thanks for watching Papa Za's Kitchen Quickies. Make this dish on its own or put it on a pizza. Check the link below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.